Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about Geico pack and play portable play yard or playpen as it's fondly called. One thing I love about this play yard or playpen is that it's very easy to assemble. You can also take it anywhere, and also if you are a new mom, for new moms or parents that do not have enough resources to afford the what is it called now, the bed for the babies, or that is unable to afford the crib for babies, you can use this play yard or playpen as a crib for your baby. All you need to do is find a very comfortable spot in your house and assemble this play yard and get a mattress and put in. Decorate it the way you want, and your baby will sleep comfortably as if they are sleeping in a crib.
Okay.
So come along with me as I unbox it and show you how to assemble.
Pause.
So the playpen or the play yard is out of the box now. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is the base wrapped around the structure. The base wrapped around the main structure. So this is the base wrapped around the main structure. So this is all I do. I'll pull it like this. Revealing the structure, and this is the base. Wow, I really love this. It's comfortable, it's really soft. Yeah, so you're looking at comfort for your baby while they sleep in the playpen or while they play in it. Yeah, so here this is how we're going to do it. Pull this out, and make sure you hear the click sound. Pull this other side out and the other side, so you hear the click sound. Got it? So the four sides have been pulled out. Then what you're gonna do, you will try to open it out. Then you, okay, there's a bag here. This bag is meant for storing your playpen. You can pack everything, fold it back, and use this to cover it up in case you are on the go. Then you push it down like so, right? Which is quite easy. Push it down like so.
Keep doing this.
Then I'm going to put the base inside. It's pretty comfortable to me. Pretty comfortable everywhere. Like the base is really soft, and this four angles too, it's really soft, and I really love this product. Then this is out here for storage. Maybe you want to store your wipes or maybe your baby toys. Let's say your baby toys. Just pin it by the side. Pin both sides until you hear the clip sound. So that is just it. So yeah, this is it. Very comfy and soft. If you feel like, or if you want additional comfort for your baby, you can just get the mattress. Mattress will make your baby feel extra comfy. In case you don't have a mattress, you can just put your baby in this. But if you have a mattress, you can simply put your mattress in, and your baby, like, so this is what I'm talking about. This is the mattress. In case you want your baby to sleep in this playpen, just get one of these. They're the size. I think most of these playpen, they have one size fits all playpen, except your playpen is the large one. Then you put it in. Voila, all done. And if you want to maybe go on a trip and you want to go with your playpen, very easy. What you do is take this out. After you take the mattress out, you simply take this one out. Take this one out, lay down. Then there's a red pull-up strap in the middle. What you're gonna do is you pull it up gently. I did not pull it gently. You pull it up gently. Then this area, you start with one end. You press. There's a knob in there. You press it in, and you push it down. You go to the other end. There's a knob in. You press it in and push it down. Press it in, push it down. Press it in, and you push it down. Then you bring all of it together. You see? All together. They all fit back into their spot. Then you place it on the board, and you simply wrap them up, wrap them back, just like this. Wrap it back. Then you've got the bag right here, in case you're going on a trip or you just want to pack it away. Here you go. Here, just put it in. Zip it up, and you're ready to maybe go take it along with you, or you can put it away. You don't need to put it in a box. So yeah, this is how I unbox, assemble, and disassemble my Graco play pen or play yard. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and a like, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you're gonna watch our new video when it comes up. And I will be showing you a new video on how you can transform your playpen or your play yard into a toddler bed. If you want to watch that video, do not forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next episode. Bye.